Listen to part of a music appreciation class.
Good morning everyone. Now in today's lesson I'd like to talk about music. Did you know that people have tried to make good sounds, or music, since a very, very long time ago? In fact, music has been important to people since ancient times. Apparently, the oldest known musical instruments are the flutes, or pipes, made from mammoth ivory, and bird bone from the Upper Paleolithic period, also known as the Late Stone Age, which broadly dates between 50,000 and 12,000 years ago. The Divya Babe flute is the earliest flute in the world, which was excavated in 1995, at Divya Babe, a cave and archaeological park in northwestern Slovenia. Experts have declared this Divya Babe flute was made by Neanderthals. The body of the flute had been meticulously crafted, having spaced holes pierced, using tools made of bone and stone. Presumably, for a mouth hole, two V-shapes were carved out, at the two ends of the flute. The sophistication suggests that it would have taken such a long time, for the crafter to make the flute. Archaeological research confirms that the size, spacing, and alignment of the holes on the flute could not have been accidental, and suggests the pierced holes were made with something in mind, perhaps with the intention for musical expression. This artifact thus represents pivotal evidence of the capability the Neanderthals had for artistic creation.
Question 1. What is the professor's attitude toward the Divya Babe flute made by Neanderthals?